We are where consumer tech meets co-innovation. Welcome into tomorrow. I'm Dave Graveline from Berlin, Germany, and our 17th year bringing you into tomorrow from IFA. We're delighted that you've tuned into tomorrow. Wait until you see the interviews coming up, the products we're showing you. We've got 3 weeks worth of radio broadcasts, and all of the radio interviews are also on video, so you can see the cool products that they're showing here at IFA. And of course, be sure to snag our brand new, free, updated Into Tomorrow app from your favorite app store. You can watch that way as well. You can hear the 24-hour stream at your leisure. You can participate easily from the app. Maybe you see something here at IFA you'd like to know more about. We want to hear from you. And of course, toll-free 800-899-INTO anywhere in North America and participate that way. Meantime, let's take a peek out on the show floor, some of the keynotes, some of the highlights here in Berlin, Germany at IFA.
Power of co-innovation is to bring together the brightest minds, the best innovators from all over the world, from different industries, from different sectors, different ages. However, from different stages of the development of the companies, means from tech companies, already global players, to the new startups, to bring them together in one room and to help to create new products, new technology.
We are also bringing an innovation to the market for a future product. It's a concept model that we present also here at IFA today. And it's actually a self-driving kick scooter. So the uniqueness of that product is that it can actually navigate itself, it can drive itself, it has 3 wheels, it has sensors in it, it has cameras in it. And the good thing is that through 5G AI technology, we can actually operate the scooters to go from one place to the other without human interference. So you can program them to be in certain locations at a certain point in time where you know there's going to be a lot of demand for the product.
You can see behind me the excitement for the Galaxy Fold, which for the first time today people are going to be able to get their hands on and try for themselves. So we've innovated in so many different areas on design, on use of new materials, on frankly the ability to be able to fold a phone, shut and open it seamlessly is an incredible progression in the mobile industry, and it's something that we're really excited to launch into the European market. The benefit of it is to be able to have a huge screen that actually fits in your pocket still. So some of the issues that you have as you go to a larger screen is it starts to become a bit cumbersome and you can't carry it around so easily. So having the ability to fold that screen means that we can then extend even further and further in the future while still making the device portable and very handy to use.
A robot is made for people that live alone at home, for example people above 65 years old, and we deliver them safety because their relatives can call them via video call and see if they're feeling okay, even if they don't answer the telephone. They can also check if the oven is still on or off, if the doors are open, so how is the person doing remotely. The second benefit is that the robot can remind the user to measure blood pressure, blood glucose, his weight, and so assist him while checking his health data, his vital data.
concept OLED transparent TV, which you see behind us. So as the name suggests, it's a transparent TV. And what it gives it shows how Panasonic is pushing the boundaries of television. Yeah. So this execution here is a transparent OLED. As you can see, we have one execution here with the screen on, and behind me the transparent, so you can see how this is showing. This is born out of a collaboration between Panasonic and Vitra, the Swiss premium furniture maker. So this collaboration has been set up to try to how to put electronic devices into the living space, but at the same time make them minimalist. Yeah. So as you can see, when it's on, it's something that you want it to be watched, and when it's off, it's an aesthetic piece of furniture that looks good in the living space.
We're launching in IFA a new high-end bean-to-cup machine, or fully automatic coffee machine as the Germans would call it, which has a double grinding technology, which allows us to be able to have different types of coffee being produced from the same coffee machine. It also has a double solution for making cappuccino, so specifically for markets which are very much linked to milk beverages in coffee.
SkyDrive, flying car development team in Japan, and this is a 1/6 size of flying car. It can drive in the road and also flying through the air. So there are 3 wheels and 4 propellers for going flying. Now we are developing and we will start selling from 2023. And now we are using a full-size machine and doing test flight every day, more than 10 times a day, to assure the safety.
Future of TV. Actually, this is a revolution, I would say. This is actually the R9 TV. The R stands for rollable and revolution. Why is it revolutionary? First of all, it's the first rollable TV, so it's the first flexible display that can be ejected from a box. So it kind of works like something that you have on your windows, which you can pull down, and immediately it disappears again if you want to open it. Kind of the same functionality.
This is called Inupasi, and Inu is dog in Japanese and Pasi is for empathy. And it's a tool to understand your dog better. This can work over dog's fur. You don't have to shave, you don't have to apply gel, just dry fur. It analyzes the dog's heartbeat, the rhythm of the dog's heartbeat, and it checks if it matches the previous patterns of when the dogs were in a happy mood or in a stressed mood or focusing mood. And if the pattern matches highly, then we suggest that the dog is in a happy mood, and we show it by color.
This is our new S1H camera, which is the newest addition to our full-frame family. We've launched earlier this year the S1 and the S1R. And the S1H is a camera which is specially targeted to cinematographers. So it basically, in first impressions, it looks like the S1 and the S1R. But the special thing about it is it's a little bit bigger because it has a fan construction inside for cooling, which offers continuous shooting, recording possibilities. It has a new flippable, tiltable, articulated screen, so which makes it really comfortable for any type of shooting opportunity. It has the already built-in from S1 and S1R, the 5.76K OLED viewfinder. It has a slightly larger shoulder display. Yeah, so it has actually many things, and it's the first mirrorless full-frame camera which offers 6K 24p full-frame video recording.
What's very exciting is it's 50 years since Samsung started producing TVs. And that first Samsung TV was a black and white TV. In fact, it was a furniture that people put in the middle of the living room. It was a piece of art if you see it now. Now 50 years later on, our TVs are not that small anymore. You can get up to 98-inch TV. It is massive, but if you want even bigger, we have something called the wall, and it's exactly that. It's a wall TV. It goes as big as the wall. It's modular, like Lego. You can build it bigger and bigger and bigger, and you can make it massive.
I most certainly hope that you have snagged our brand new, just announced here in Berlin, Germany during our IFA broadcasts, updated free Into Tomorrow app. Available, of course, for iPhones and all your Androids. Please get it at your favorite app store. Please consider a 5-star rating. It'll warm the cockles of my heart, especially if you leave us a little review comment, good, bad, or otherwise. We want to know what you think of our brand new Into Tomorrow app. Just search those 2 words in your favorite app store. Meantime, if you've seen anything on this highlight video or hear anything on the radio broadcast, 3 weeks worth of coverage, by the way. We've got a lot of guests lining up, waiting to talk to us and show us their cool new products from IFA 2019 here in Berlin, Germany. Remember, #co-innovation, because that's a big buzzword here at IFA this year. I'm Dave Graveline. Thanks for tuning in to Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network, and we look very much forward to hearing from you. Guests are lining up, so we're going to start the interviews.